Device errors and consumable status can be detected by monitoring polling and notifications. Each status condition should be monitored based on the service level agreement and the company policy. On a daily basis, Fleet Administrator should be logging into DMNX and using a filter on device list columns such as Status System or Status Printer to find devices that were found in conditions that require attention upon completion of the last status polling operation. As you know, you can select individual filters in the device list by selecting the filter button and selecting the item you want to filter on. In our example, we're selecting Status System and selecting Call Service. As you can see, there are a lot of devices that have the Call Service System status. If you have to go through all the statuses, it can take some time, so it would be beneficial to create some power filters with high, medium, and low priority conditions. To do this, from the device list, select Create Filter from the Manage Filters drop-down list. Give the filter a name, and then select all of the criteria that filter will use. In our case, we are creating a high priority filter and using Call Service, Maintenance, Device Access Violation, Error, Alert, and No Response as the filter criteria. Next, we will create a medium priority conditions with Replace Supply, Toner ink almost empty, Cover open, and Original misfeed as the filter criteria. Last, we will create a low priority conditions with paper misfeed, no paper, almost out of paper, fax transmission error, and offline. Keep in mind that your filters will depend on what your customer thinks is high, medium, and low priority conditions. Once the filters are created, to use them, simply select the filter from the list. After reviewing all of the filters, to turn them off, simply select the No Filter selection in the list.